Hello everybody, very good morning to you all. Today we are going to solve example number 5 of our newly started unit, that is standard costing material, which is almost same as our previous example, that is question number 4. So let us have a look. Standard mix of product Y is as under 50, 20 and 30. Price per kilogram is also given. The standard loss in production is 10% of input and there is no scrap value. Actual output of product Y is 3600 kilograms, which is called your actual yield. Okay, actual output. Yield means output. So actual yield or output. Actual consumption of material and cost were as follows. So materials A, B and C, kilograms are given 20,800, 8,400 and 12,800, and price per kilogram is also given. You are required to calculate the following: cost, price, usage, mix and yield variance. Your textbook example number 7 is in homework, which is almost like this. So example number 6 and 7 you can do in homework after watching the video of example number 4 and 5. Okay. So likewise, the way we have calculated example number 4, this is almost same. So again, firstly we need to calculate our total standard quantity, because here the standard quantity is given just for one quantity of product Y. So we need to calculate standard quantity required for actual production of 36,000 kilograms. તમને અહીંયા સિંગલ યુનિટ પ્રોડ્યુસ કરવા માટેની સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ક્વોન્ટિટી આપી છે. તો આપણું પ્રોડક્શન કેટલું છે 3600. તો એટલું પ્રોડક્શન રિસીવ કરવા માટે તમારે કેટલું રો મટીરિયલ જોઈએ છે, તમારે કેટલું સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ક્વોન્ટિટી જોશે એ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું પડશે. So suppose standard quantity is 100 and standard loss is 10. So your standard output is 90. So your output is 90, then quantity is 100. So actual output is 36,000. Then standard quantity will be how much, right? So that is 40,000 kilograms. So now this 40,000 kilograms is distributed among A, B and C in 50, 20, 30. Previous જે રેશિયો હતો previous example એ જ રેશિયો છે. This ratio also can be changed, like it may be for two materials. If it is for two materials, it may be 60-40, it may be 5-3-2, it may be 5-2-3, whatever. It also can be 4-4-2. So now this 40,000 is distributed in the ratio of 50, 20 and 30 as per this given information. So now your standard quantity is, for A it is 20,000 kilograms, for B it is 8,000 kilograms and for C it is 12,000 kilograms. So now after calculating this, now we can prepare the important table, right? Here materials name A, B and C, standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity and actual price. These two are given in the example, right? Standard price is also given in the example, and now standard quantity that we have just calculated. Okay, so total standard quantity is 20 plus 8 plus 12, that is 40,000. After deducting 10% loss, the amount we are getting is standard yield or standard output, which is equal to our actual yield, right? જે તમને એક્ઝામ્પલમાં આપેલું છે actual yield, આ standard yield or standard output. એ બંને સરખું છે એ વાત અલગ છે. This is your actual quantity. After deducting loss from that, the amount we are getting 37,800 is called our revised standard yield, right? So this table is important for calculation of formula. If you are ready with this table, then you just have to insert the amount from this table to your formula and you are getting the answer very easily. Okay, so moving further with the calculation of the first formula, that is material cost variance formula, SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So three of them for material A, B and C. For 3 materials, just put all these details in a formula and we get the answer of material cost variance negative 7,200. For B it is 250 and for C it is negative 800. So cost variance is 7,750 unfavorable. You need to add 3 of them. So negative 7,750 unfavorable. Now material price variance. So for price variance, actual quantity into bracket standard price minus actual price. So just place all this information and you get your answer as negative 5,200, positive 1,050 and positive 3,200. So by adding these 3 we get our price variance negative 950 unfavorable. So cost variance is negative 7750 unfavorable, U means unfavorable and negative 950 unfavorable. અહીંયા A પણ લખી શકો, A means adverse. Next, material usage variance. So formula standard price into bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. So by placing all this detail in a formula we get the answer of A negative 2,000 unfavorable. For B it is negative 800 unfavorable and for C it is negative 4,000 unfavorable. So by adding 3 of them we get the answer of usage variance as negative 6,800 unfavorable. Verification બંનેનું લાસ્ટમાં કરીએ છીએ. So we have calculated 3 formula. Now material mix variance, that is MMV. So here again total standard quantity is 40,000 and total actual quantity is 42,000. As both of them are not equal, we need to calculate revised standard mix by using the formula total actual quantity into standard quantity upon total standard quantity. So revised standard mix of A is 21,000, for B it is 8,400 and for C it is 12,600. Okay, so now material mix variance formula standard price into bracket revised standard mix minus actual mix. Actual mix is nothing but your actual quantity which is already given in the example, and revised standard mix that we have just calculated. So 21,000, 8,400 and 12,600. We get the answer of material mix variance positive 500, 0 and negative 1,000. So material mix variance is negative 500 unfavorable. Now yield variance. So here again total standard quantity is not equal to total actual quantity. So the formula will be revised standard yield should be taken into consideration in the formula. So formula will be standard cost per unit into bracket standard yield minus revised standard yield. So how can we get standard cost per unit? By using the formula total standard cost upon total output. So standard cost કેમ મળશે? ત્રણેય રો મટીરિયલની SQ into AP ને એડ કરવાનું, સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ કોસ્ટની ત્રણેયને એડ કરવાની. So answer of this you can get from your first formula. And 36,000 standard output કેમ મળશે? Total standard quantity minus loss, that is 40,000 minus 400. 36,000 કે જે આપણે important table માં પણ આપણે calculate કરેલું જ છે. So directly this also you can take, and revised standard mix is 37,800. So 36,000 minus 37,800. So 3.5 is your cost per unit and negative 1,800. This 36,000 is given in the example, your actual yield. So your material yield variance is negative 6,300 unfavorable. Now the verification, MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. So by adding both of them we get our material cost variance negative 7750, which is exactly the amount that we have just calculated here. See, 7750 and here it is also 7750. Usage variance will be mix plus yield or mix plus sub usage, right? So mix plus yield, usage variance is negative 6800, and that is also the same as we have found out, negative 6800. So this is the calculation of your this variance. I have also calculated material sub usage variance over here for your reference. So standard price into bracket revised standard mix minus revised standard mix. So that is 3600 unfavorable. So material usage variance will be material mix variance plus sub usage or material mix plus material yield. Okay, you can calculate this. So this is the answer of your sub usage variance. So I am just changing the focus and so that you can see the full page on screen. See, this is the question. Now calculation of your total standard quantity and standard quantity of ABC each and the important table. Next, cost variance, price variance and usage variance. Next, mix variance along with revised standard mix, and next yield variance, okay, along with the verification. Okay, thank you all.